If you use Evernote to store notes, receipts, research, or important documents, you may be wondering how to quickly find every PDF attached in your account. In this video, I'm going to show you the fastest way to find all PDFs in Evernote using a simple search operator. This is a huge time saver if you have years of notes and need to locate a file without manually opening each one. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick Evernote tips and productivity guides. Alright, let's jump in. First, open your Evernote desktop app, or the web version in your browser. You can use either one for this method, so choose whichever you normally work in. Once Evernote is open, look toward the top of the window and find the search bar. This is where Evernote lets you search through notes, attachments, and saved content. Now click inside the search bar so you can type a search query. This next part is the key step, because Evernote has advanced search operators that help you filter very specific types of content. To find all notes that contain PDF attachments, type this exact search term into the bar: resource, application/PDF. Make sure you enter it exactly as shown, because this is the operator that tells Evernote to search for PDF resources. After typing the search operator, press Enter on your keyboard. Evernote will then refresh the results and show you only the notes that have PDF files attached to them. This is especially useful if you're trying to track down invoices, guides, scanned documents, contracts, or any other PDF you saved inside a note. Instead of hunting through folders one by one, you can bring everything up instantly with one search. Once the results load, you can click any note to open it and view the attached PDF. If you want to narrow things down even more, you can combine this search with other Evernote operators later, like keywords tags or notebook names. But for now, this single command is the easiest way to get a complete list of notes containing PDFs. If you don't see the results you expected, double-check that you typed the operator correctly and that you're searching in the right Evernote account. Also remember that this search finds notes with PDF attachments, so the PDFs will appear inside the matching notes rather than as a separate standalone file list. And that's it. Now you know how to find all PDFs in Evernote in just a few seconds. This is one of those small tricks that can save a lot of time when your account starts filling up with content. If this video helped, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment if you want more Evernote search tutorials just like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.